Welcome to today's lesson on telling time. Please have that notebook ready to take some good notes. Here we go. All right, first thing we need to talk about is all the different parts of a clock. So, a clock is set up in 5-minute increments between the different numbers that are there. Each of those numbers can represent hours, but it also can help us when we start counting by the minutes. On the clock, the short hand is the hour hand, the longer hand is the minute hand. As the hands start traveling around the clock, they aren't always on the exact number. So, as the hour starts traveling to the next hour, so does the hour hand. So, sometimes it's going to be closer to maybe the 12, sometimes it could be closer to the 1 based on how many minutes around the clock it is. Now, you can see some of these smaller words. Like when we get to the 1 on the minutes, it's 5 past the hour, 10 minutes past, quarter past. A quarter past because if we break the clock into 4 parts, because a quarter means 4, if we get all the way to that 3, that is a quarter of the clock. So that's why at the 3, we would call that quarter past the hour. 20 past, 25 past. The 6 is halfway around our clock, so we can call it half past, or we can say half 2. Usually we wouldn't use that term as much, though. Half past would be the better one. After we get past the half past, then we start saying 2 instead. 25 minutes to the next hour, 20 minutes to, quarter to, 10 to, 5 to, and then we would be at our new time of the o'clock. Some things to take a peek at would be that 1 minute is 60 seconds, 1 hour is 60 minutes, and 1 day is 24 hours. That's going to help when we do conversions on the clock. Again, here's some different ideas as to how to read the clock. So it's o'clock when our minute hand hits the top. We have something like 5 past, quarter past, 25 past, half past, and then we go into the twos. 22, quarter to, 5 to, and then we go back to the top again. Let's take a look at an example. If you are given a clock, the very first task you need to do is figure out which one is the hour hand and which one is the minute hand. So in this case, right here, this one's the hour hand because it's shorter, and this one's the minute hand because it's closer. Pause the video, give this problem a try, resume when you are ready to see if your answer is correct. Welcome back. So we start with our hour hand. Because we went past the 12, we are going to be at that 7 o'clock mark. And how much past? Well, again, we can count by fives. 5, 10, 15. So this is at 7:15. What are some other ways we could write this time? We could say that we are 15 minutes past 7. So that's where that past comes in. We could also say we're 45 minutes to 8 o'clock. And sometimes in our math, we will be asked to write both of those terms. But if we're going to just read the clock, we would say it is half or quarter past 7. And people would have to know that quarter means 15 minutes. Give your worksheet a try. If you need more help, take a watch at this video again. Good luck.